Okay, y'all, so here's an update on our wonderful GE Profile washing machine. If you saw my other video, you saw the rubber seal stripped out. The technician finally got here today. Now, here's the catch. This thing broke on January 21st. We contacted GE and they scheduled a technician to come out on February the 1st. That then got rescheduled to today, February the 5th. As you can see, our washer is still not fixed. He said what happened to it is something snagged the rubber seal in there and tore it out. So anyway, if that's not bad enough, he didn't even have the part to fix it. GE only told him it was leaking in the front. Gave him no clue of what was actually wrong, so he did not have the part. So now he's got to order the part through FedEx, and we get to wait. Meanwhile, we still have no washing machine.